Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can enable and customize captions on your Android TV. So first we have to go for the right upper corner for the settings button. Next we have to scroll down and go for the device preferences. And we have to scroll down another time and we have to open accessibility. It's at the bottom. So the captions will appear right here over the high contrast text. You have to open it, and to display them just select this option, and here we can customize, like for example you can change the language, you can also change the text size. As you can see, it changed after a few moments. We can change caption style. Also we can customize. So right now when you open this option, we can, for example, show the background. We can get like window. We can change the background color, transparency, or for example even the edge type. So as you can see, that's a lot of things that we can customize right here, and that's how it looks on the Android TV. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.